Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question: root under 49 minus root under 48. How we can solve this question? So we are knowing one concept, that is, if something is there inside the root, suppose inside root a is there, so this a should be greater than or equal to 0. Then this root will be defined. So here this one can be solved in this way: root under 49. So this one is can be write as 7 square, and then this root can be write as power 1 upon 2 in this way. And root under 48, so this 48, and then this root can be write as power 1 upon 2. So we need to resolve this one. Okay, so 48, we have to get the factors of 48. What will be the factor here? So we are knowing that here this prime factorization, if I am doing, so it is coming 4, and here, right, 1 2, here 6, here 2, and 3. This can be write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and that one also can be write as 2 square, and this one in the square format, root 3 power 2, okay, square. So here all are having power 2, so we can write 2 into 2 root 3, and then we have a square, so it is coming 4 root 3, and we have a square over here. So that one I am going to use here. Here we have root under, and this is going to solve 2 into 1 upon 2, and this 48 can be write as as I have written here, 4 root 3, and this one is square, and there is a power 1 upon 2. So this is going to cancel, so we have root under 7 minus, and we have 4 root 3, and same is 2 into 1 upon 2, 2 cancel, so we have 7 minus 4 root 3 root over. This one can be equate with this one, this one can be equate with root under, suppose a, okay, square plus b square minus 2ab. Our target is to get this one. So a square plus b square is equal to here 7, both are equal, and this one can be compare with this quantity in this way. So after comparing, we are having a is equal to, here a is equal to, this one I'm just going to write in this way. Suppose root under here 7 minus 2 into 2 root 3. So obviously the value for a is here either positive negative here 2, or either b is having positive negative root 3. So this one can be right. We have also okay value, we can swap this one, plus minus root under 3, and a is equal to plus minus root under 2. So that we'll have, because if you are doing a square of this one, a square and then b square, you will have a 2 square is 4, or minus 2 square is 4, and root 3 positive or negative square, its square will give you 3, so it is coming 7. That is here a square plus b square is coming 7. This case is also applicable for here also, a square plus b square is coming here 7. So here we can write in this way, that is this one can be solved in this way, that is root under, we have 2 minus root 3, and here it can be positive negative, and then we have a square, so we can remove this square in this way, okay, positive negative 2 minus root under 3, and then we have a square, and this root is here 1 upon 2, it is going to cancel, and we have okay positive negative 2 minus root under 3, but we need, okay, positive quantity, because I have already written here this quantity should be positive. Root under whatever the values inside the root, that should be positive. That's why I am putting here positive sign. 2 minus root under 3. We are not taking negative sign because negative is not applicable here. This is not applicable. Here we have this value 2 minus 1.732, and this is coming here, 0.626 and 8. That is a approximate value. We have 0.27, and this is our solution, this value. So we are getting here, this value is coming, approximate value we are having 0.27. This is our solution. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.